Hi, in this video I want to try to illustrate and explain multitasking in the new system. Okay, so here's the new system, and in previous videos we mentioned and talked about tabbing and multi-sessions. Now I'm going to see if I can illustrate different tasks that this system does. And it's basically it breaks everything in two main tasks. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit F12. I'm using Chrome browser. So by hitting F12, I go into the Dev tool. I'm going to minimize this here. And I'm going to just make a simple edit to this account and just use the 1, 2, 3 here and hit save. Okay, a simple edit to an account. Make a change. Okay, so that's one of the tasks, and in the background, this task is just fetching and loading data and saving data. So that's one of the tasks. Is goes and gets the data, brings the data, displays it to the user, and loads it for display. And another task is something like reporting. Okay, let me go ahead and click submit here. What is this? And another mode recap. Okay, another mode recap. Hit submit. Hit OK. So what this is doing is it's creating a task now. The cool thing about this is that while this is running, I can still go into an account. I'll open this account and still view the information until it finishes. You notice that it moved as soon as it finishes. See, my task is finished. This task is finished. And it moved me to this tab to let me know that it's done. I can open this and see my report. There it is. Okay, so let's see what happened in the background. Let me go here. Okay, so now this time what happened is submitted a activity task. Activity task is those tasks that the user is executing a a process. So it goes out and says, I want only this pieces of information. I'm going to, I selected the recap, so the recap actually calculates its own numbers and then presents it to the user. Now, what's the benefit of those two different types of tasks? Let's go to the server and show you what that is doing on the server is using this too. Okay, so the first one, when it went in, when I made a simple change to the account and then hits saved, it went into this OpenEdge app server multi-thread, and it does that for every time you open a session and displays information in front of the screen. This one here, it's a whole separate OpenEdge. This is a character client. This strictly deals with reporting tasking. So the benefit of having those two tasks break in two separate sessions is that in the old system we have one session, right, which is one client, one license, and I either look up an account and do an edit, or I go and make a report. Let's see, where's my recap? Or do a report. I can do either or. I cannot do both, right? This one has to be running, and when it finishes, I can exit and then pull up the account, and then I can go ahead and do what I need to do with the account. At closeout, this is the extremely long process because closeout is calculating accounts, and then when it finishes calculating, it produces a bunch of reports, and the production of the reports is what takes the majority of the time. Well, this will alleviate that. So the benefit of this type of multitasking, where it's breaking into two main tasks, is definitely performance. Okay, thank you.